Hello.
Hello, Sarita. How are you?
Yes, I'm fit as a fiddle. Everything is hunky dory. And really, I'm thrilled to have you here to meet with you. So, thank you so much for inviting me on your channel.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving
Yes.
your precious time for my YouTube channel, Sarita. Thank
Yes,
you.
just tell me, how have you been so far?
Yeah, I'm good. And what about you? Thank you so much for asking.
Okay, I'm also doing great. And thank you so much for asking and for inviting me on your channel. So, tell me, how has your day been so far?
Now my day is productive. I'm trying to make productive, but sometimes we feel very daunting tasks try to make productive. But yeah, at least you do something productive, then after that you feel good also and be positive.
These days, because we are passionate English learners, so we can measure our day with our practice. How many calls have you
Mhm.
taken? So today I took only
Right.
one call, audio call. I practiced like 30 minutes, around 30 minutes. And apart from this, I
Okay.
finished all my household chores. And I was waiting for this moment. And finally, the moment has come, and we are connecting. After a long
Yeah.
time, I think
Me
it's
too.
been 2, 3 months since
Yeah, 2 3 months.
yeah,
Me
since
too
we
also.
connected,
Yes,
yeah.
really. Yeah, but like my whole day now, like 3 o'clock, I didn't take any call. This is my second call to you by video call. But most of the time we are juggling, which is like what we do in a day.
Okay, so it
Yes.
means, do you have everyday video session with some YouTubers? Do
Yeah,
you
I'm
have?
trying. Yeah. Yesterday I'm also uploading one video, but before that did not upload anything. I'm trying to like make some shorts. But some editing parts nowadays I'm studying. That's why I'm not, most of the time I'm not uploading. But yeah,
Okay,
I'm
so
trying to at least one video upload in my YouTube channel.
every
Yes, I'm
single day
trying.
you try to upload at least one video. Wow.
I'm trying, but sometimes failed my
Yeah,
plan
you can
also.
miss.
Yes.
But
Mm-hmm.
that,
But,
that
but
means
yeah,
you are
yesterday I upload.
okay. That
Hmm.
means you are too active compared to me. It's not my cup of tea to upload every single day, but on alternate day, I upload one day solo and next alternate day, I upload long video. So this is how I have been maintaining consistency because these days there are so many things on my plate and I was in
Hmm.
Noida, sometime Kanpur due to other reasons. So here and there. So really, it was daunting task, Herculean task for me to
Hmm.
maintain my YouTube journey. But anyhow, I have
Yeah,
been
I'm
maintaining.
understanding.
Yes,
Yes, that is the spirit we have. That is the
yeah,
dedication we have. That's why we are
because it
here.
is a kind of commitment. Like
Right.
creating YouTube channel is a kind of commitment, a promise to ourselves. Because why we have created? Because
Hmm.
we want somewhere our improvement, our growth. That's the
Hmm.
intention
Right,
behind it.
right.
So we have to do.
Yeah, you are
No
right.
matter,
Yes,
yeah, whether your
definitely.
condition, you have to be. So
Yeah, be consistent. That
be.
is the really spirit about it. But one thing, when you start something new, like YouTube channel also, that is very easy in a one day task. But how to be consistent daily, that is sometimes you feel very daunting and very difficult for you also.
Yeah, before that, like before creating channel, I couldn't understand the pain of YouTubers. I thought it seemed
Yes,
very fascinating.
really.
But after,
Hmm.
yeah,
Right.
going deep into this journey, right now, we have to learn so many things, like editing part, how to create thumbnail, and how
Right.
to edit, how to make solo videos. So all the time we keep on
Mhm.
thinking. For it is our
Mhm.
initial stage, my initial stage. So I have to devote a lot of time. Sometime 1 hour I'm struggling
Mhm.
to make thumbnail, to like edit part. Sometime due to network glitch, we struggle a lot. We feel frustrated
Mhm.
also.
Yeah, likewise, I'm totally relatable. You earlier was I'm also struggling, but yeah, nowadays I'm learning something new things. Sometimes also feel comfortable and discomfort also when I like do nothing related to YouTube. At the time I feel not comfortable. Yeah, you are right. Okay,
Yeah.
Sarita, we are meeting second time. Can you introduce yourself for my audience?
Yeah, why not? So, as you know, my name is Sarita, and I hail from a beautiful city, Etawah, in UP. I hold a bachelor degree in arts as well as PGDC diploma, and I'm a dedicated homemaker, proud mother of two grown-ups. And if I talk about hobbies, I have a variety of hobbies. I love reading books, listening music, and travel also. But these days, I am great passionate about enhancing my communication skill. I want to I want to communicate with different people, strangers, so that I can get to know about their language, their culture, and I want to know about their perception towards life. So somewhere, this was that is the reason why I have created my channel by the name of Fluent by Sarita. It provides us a space where we can grow, we can learn, and we can as well as we can inspire others to learn this language. So this is lesson more
Right,
about
right.
myself. Yes, thank you so much for
Yeah,
listening to
amazing
me.
introduction, Sarita. Nice, very, very nice. Because you know, when you create something at that time beneficial for you and another person also.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Ye- So now
Mm-hmm.
I yeah
Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah.
yes, please
I'm introduce
introduce
myself,
yourself.
Sarita. Yeah, sure. My name is Neha. I'm from Delhi. I'm a homemaker. I'm also into teaching. I'm providing offline tuition classes last 10 years. If we talk about my qualification, I did my master's in political science as well as B.Ed also and qualified teacher. And nowadays, in connecting the people, I'm trying to make my convert into a social butterfly because I'm very introvert type of person. And nowadays, in connecting the people, that's how I'm enhancing my communication skills. Yeah, my hobby is reading the music. Sorry, reading the books also because last 2 weeks I'm inculcate a habit of reading some books like related to motivation books, and that's why I also call me a bibliophile nowadays. And listening to music, and yeah, that's all about me in a nutshell,
Wow,
Sarita.
that's a wonderful introduction. And you also love reading books. And somewhere, when we want to enhance our communication skill, we want to improve ourselves, reading helps, reading plays a very vital role. And the people
Right,
who are
right.
not even
Really.
interested, they also want to read.
Yes,
They have
me too
changed their
also. Like
interest.
earlier was
Yeah,
I'm not, yes, earlier was I'm not interested. Like when I thought about try some reading, but very feel tired and like a very daunting task for me. But you know, when I started last 2 weeks, I'm into reading and read some motivation books. But you know, nowadays feel very good. Like whenever I have a time, at least not more than, but at least 10 minutes I'm into reading. In early morning when I woke up at the time I'm read something and then yeah whole day I feel yeah this is the productive when you start something reading that not you learn a new vocabulary you learn also the structure also lots of things you learn by the reading.
yeah. Same here also. It's been 1 year ever since I embarked on this journey.
Mhm.
Seriously, I have inculcated this habit in the morning time with my teacup. I have associated my reading with my teacup. So while having tea, I just try to read. Every day I try to read 3, 4 pages. So till
Okay,
now I have completed, I think, 14, 15 books. And time to time I
okay,
change
nice.
my genre also. Sometime earlier I used to
Hmm.
read Sudhamurti books, Sudhamurti ma'am's book. I finished 5, 6 books
Okay,
because I found my
okay,
interest.
nice.
And the way of
Hmm.
her writing is very simple and very unique, you can say. And whatever she has
Hmm.
gone through, her life lessons, her life experience, she has narrated very vividly, clearly.
Hmm.
So I found my interest.
Right, right.
Yes, I read so many books here, there, everywhere. And Dollar Bahu, Mahasweta is a novel, and How I Taught My Grandma.
Hmm.
So really, those books
Hmm.
are really full of inspiration, full of motivation, you can say. So by each book, you find a lot of knowledge, immense motivation. So I
Hmm.
read. After that, I try to switch some novels, 2, 3 novels I read. One novel was
Hmm.
The Girl I Met That Night, and other 2 novels other Who Moved My Cheese. It is not a novel; it is a kind of motivational book. And recently, I have
Okay.
finished Ikigai, Alchemist, and I'm
Okay.
trying to
Okay.
read Atomic Habit, but like one year
Hmm.
ago I started, but I don't find my didn't find my interest because some words were very, very like fascinated, not fascinated, very hard. So every now
Very
and
hard.
then, yes, I had to check in
Hmm.
Google. So I lost my interest. I kept aside. But right now I'm thinking to read again, to restart again Atomic Habit because I have listened a lot about that book. Every person should learn, must learn because it is all about
Hmm.
how to structure your good habit, how to imbibe good habits in your day-to-day life, which are very, very
mm,
essential, and which can lead you towards your success, a path
mm,
of new journey. So yes, it is all about habit, good habits. How can we generate good habits in our character? So
mm.
it is all about. So I
Right,
want
right.
to restart again.
Mm. Okay, you read at least 50 books in a 1 year.
15, 16 books. Yeah, 3, 4 pages every day
Yeah.
I try to read. Yes.
Yeah, earlier was like when you was started at the time, you feel comfortable with reading or not?
I felt comfortable because I started reading from Sudha Murthy ma'am's book, like stories book. So
Yeah, yes,
you can
very
enjoy
easy and very,
stories.
yeah, basic English. Really,
Yes,
really.
basic
I read
English,
one book of Sudha Murthy and also I've heard about the like Thousand Stitches, maybe Thousand Stitches,
thousand
a
stitches.
book, yeah, written by the Sudha Murthy. Because
Yes,
Sudhamurti used a very simple language, basic language, not using the like very difficult vocabulary there. That's why most of the learner they
yes, yes,
starting their journey with the reading.
yes.
Sudhamurti books is very good,
And
really.
formation. By reading, we get to know how to form sentence, how to structure sentence in a good way, and
Hmm.
so many new
Good.
vocabulary. And what I used to do, first I read one story every single day,
Hmm.
and that story I memorize in my mind, and just in front of mirror, I used to narrate that story to the mirror, and sometime I try to
Hmm.
record it, and like
Hmm.
I try to narrate this story with Chat GPT also. So Chat GPT, after
Hmm.
listening my story, it used to give me feedback.
Hmm.
Your sentences are very long, complicated. You should break your sentence in simple way. So this is how, like I have read 4 pages story, suppose, and I just try to narrate a
Hmm.
story 5 to 7 minutes, and then I ask,
Hmm.
tell me my
Hmm.
gray areas, how many mistakes I have done. So it gave me like
Hmm.
very candid feedback. You have to work here instead of this sentence. You have to use this word, this sentence, this expression. So in this way, it was really fruitful.
Yeah, you follow the very good approach because in a reading you learn a lot by you also trying to like make a story also. Then after that, when you read, then after
In
that
my
you
own
try
words.
to like
Story is similar, but my
yeah,
words,
that's
in
very
my
good.
thoughts, my words, I used to
Hmm.
tell. Yes.
Yeah, but sometimes you also feel this is a very time consuming.
Yes, everything is time consuming, and I believe that no pain,
Time
no gain.
consuming.
If you want to do
Right,
something
right.
new,
Yes, yes.
you want to do extraordinary,
Hmm.
then you have to,
Hmm.
yeah, you have to become midnight
Yeah,
morning
you have
oil.
to.
You
Yes.
have to go through
Right, right.
fire and
Definitely.
water.
Hmm.
Only then you can
Yeah.
learn. And like
Yeah,
for,
truly, I'm 100% agree with
yes,
you. Really.
and we are not a student, school, college going student. It's been long time, like long gap. I think 24
Hmm.
years from my academic. Now I started learning. So
Okay.
you can
Yeah, that
understand.
is a good
It was a
thing.
completely different
That is
world.
a good.
It is a
Yes,
completely
definitely,
different
definitely.
world to
Because
me.
right now, as a student, we have only one thing in our bucket, like only we study. That's it. But nowadays, we have our plate is totally full. Lots of things in our plate.
We are
Sometimes also feel why we are starting this
we are
again.
working more than students because we are playing so
Hmm.
many things. We have a lot on our
Yes.
plate. We are wives, we are daughter-in-laws, moms, and so many things.
Mother also. As a
Yeah.
something like when we join these type of person community again in our like what we want in our life again we thought about.
Yes, yes. So really,
Mhm. Yeah, okay, Sarita. Like which books is very not important, but initially says any beginner is starting their journey with the scratch. At that time, which book is appropriate for them?
I
Because we
think
already
if
15 books we
yeah,
finished.
somebody is
Yeah.
very beginner, it depends on it depends on person to person. Like there are different
Hmm.
stages. If you are just a beginner, you are starting your journey from the scratch. So you should start from children
Hmm.
book, second class, third class children
Right.
story books. So,
Hmm.
the sentences are very simple and clear. And when you read those story, not one time, you can read one story, you pick one story, and 3, 4 times you read the
Hmm.
same story, similar story. So then you get to know so many new words, and so many like how to form the sentence. So then it is like
Hmm.
always choose. I would advise beginners always they should choose very simple and cartoon story
Hmm.
they can watch from social media, YouTube. So they
Hmm.
cartoon stories and simple children story like
Hmm.
rabbit and turtle and rabbit and like loin
Yeah.
story, yes,
Thirsty Crow
and
also.
greedy thirsty
Thirsty
crow.
Crow also.
So we should
Very,
start from
yeah,
there,
very famous
then we
story.
can move towards Sudha Murthy ma'am's stories. This her stories are very simple also. So then this is how
Mm-hmm.
step by step they should change, then they can move towards
Yeah.
self-help books like ikigai
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Mhm.
but step by
Yeah, after
step.
some time when you become advanced speaker and eloquent speaker, that's also you try these books.
Yes.
But you are right, like initially stage as a beginner when you start, you pick like some story books also and comic book also. That is very useful.
Yeah, like Panchatantra and
Yeah, Panchtantra also.
yes,
Because
yes,
when you choose initially
Tenali
say
Rama,
difficult books and
Panchatantra.
you also and initially say when you choose some difficult book, at that time you stop your journey because you also juggling lots of new vocabulary and searching on Google. Then after that you you know about the vocabulary. That's how initially stage you choose the simple books, simple story books that is good for because after day to day also like we boost our confidence also, yeah, this is the storybook and we are comfortable for that and we also understand what the write in book.
Yeah, moreover, I
Yeah,
want
and
to
that's
say,
also hmm.
yes, yes,
Yes,
go
please
ahead.
continue, Sarita.
So I wanted to say like it depends on your interest as well. As if you are like movie lover
Hmm.
person, you want to know about Bollywood celebrities, then you
Hmm.
can choose this kind of magazines. You want to know about their life,
Hmm.
their success
Hmm.
story, and if you can read, you can choose any like if you are very like novel friendly person, you can choose any novel. If you are a spiritual person, you can
Hmm.
choose like simple Ramayana, simple Bhagavad Gita,
Hmm.
Mahabharata
Right, right.
stories. So, like if
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
you are lover of history, so you can choose history books. So it depends on
History book.
people's interest.
Ah,
Where you find your
yes,
interest, then try
definitely.
to. And earlier I installed one
Hmm.
application, Cura application. Cura. Have you heard?
Sure. No, no,
So
I'm here first time.
okay, so I used to read a lot from
Hmm.
that, like day-to-day life incident happen in our society,
There's
and
the
it
e-book, na?
yeah,
E-book.
yeah, current affairs,
Yeah, e-book.
current incidents,
Hmm.
and it
Hmm.
like what you want to it like works according to your interest. If you are interested in uh, what is called spiritual, so you can write answer as well
Right,
as
right.
yeah, and you can find so
Yeah.
many mythological story related to our
Hmm.
Rama and Lord Krishna, so many stories. So I used to read a
Yeah.
lot
Yeah.
from Kyora.
Yeah. That's means like whenever you have an interest, like in spiritual also, like any other thing you like interest, that's you started these type of books in your
Yes,
habit.
actually, it
Yeah,
is in
that
my
is very good.
habit. Yes, earlier I used to read
Hmm.
newspaper, Hindi newspaper,
Hmm.
and Hindi magazines before I started this journey.
Hmm.
Then I transformed Hindi to English, the Times of India. 2, 3 months I read,
Hmm.
then I started
Hmm.
like reading books. So yes, I get pleasure while reading.
Yeah, me too. Also, like I'm not try to any English paper, but yeah, I'm like daily I'm try to read a paper like magazine also. That's I'm also interested.
Okay.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, we already talk about the reading. Reading is very important, but some at the starting point, I think this not important. After then, you also inculcate the habit of reading. That is good for us and
Right,
another person also. And there's a four pillars of English, basic like English speaking journey. There's a listening, speaking, reading, and writing. What
writing.
is your perception is more important in a four pillar? Four are important, but one is important when you start your journey. Which one is? What is your
Yeah, I
perception
don't know
about that?
about others. Like, if I talk about personally my individual experience, I would say for me, reading and listening both helped me a lot. I started my journey
Hmm,
through listening. I used to listen a lot,
hmm,
like
hmm,
Karishma Chauhan ma'am's video and Meenu ma'am's video,
hmm,
Dehati ma'am's video. I started my journey
hmm,
from those ladies' video, and I because those
hmm,
days we don't have any idea and we have, if we don't
Right, right.
consume any thought in mind, how can I deliver? So before delivering our
Mm,
speech, before having conversation with someone, we have to have something in our mind. Input is very, very important, then we are
mm,
able to deliver our output. So for getting consuming input,
right.
I used to listen a lot, like while I was in kitchen, I was
Mm,
rolling chapati. That time I was utilizing using headphone, and I was listening to videos, three videos. So sometime, yeah, 2 hours
mm,
I kept listening. And this is how I reading, like listening helped me a lot, and simultaneously I started working on reading. So in the morning I was into
reading.
reading, and afternoon listening.
Mm.
Yes,
Yeah, you are right. Like, depend on the person to person, because in my case, like I'm totally focusing on speaking, because earlier was I'm focusing on listening and writing more. When I started, I filled it a lots of register writing something related to grammatical aspect, but there's no nothing changed. But when I started speaking, well, last 3.5 4 months, I'm totally consistent with my speaking also and listen also. But when I started the speaking, that's how also the power of the speaking, because you have a lots of content in your mind, you have a knowledge also, but you are not to try to connect the people,
people.
and that's why you are not habitual of this language. But in my case, speaking is totally changed my perception, really. And also I feel when I started speaking, I drastically changed in my communication, even my personality also. Yeah, that in my perception, like speaking is more important in 4 pillars. But
Ex-
4 pillars is important, but in my case, like speaking is changed my perception, really,
Yeah,
because
so
you have a knowledge and you have read something, but you not try to connect people, you not express your things, and how to overcome your hesitation. Because in our
exactly.
case, like in you and me also, because we are facing the people judgment, that's why we are not try to speak it.
Exactly. I couldn't agree more.
Hmm.
Speaking also helped me a lot. Actually, when I started my journey 1.5 year ago, I didn't have any clarity in my mind.
Hmm.
I also, like you, I also started writing a lot of theoretical things. I thought first I have to work on my grammar. I filled 4 5
Right.
registered conditional models and
Hmm.
active, passive, direct,
Active
everything.
passive,
I
lots
was
of
a
things.
lot. And you won't believe, 5 to 6 registered, like idioms, phrases, and vocabulary part. I always keep my bed, like my table is always filled.
Yeah.
Even whenever I am in kitchen, so my kitchen is always, you will find one two diaries are placed on my kitchen slab, because when I was listening, I go through, if I go through a new word, just try to write down. And
Yeah,
not
right,
only
something.
I was
Hmm.
writing the word, I just try to figure out the actual meaning and in which places I can use this word. So 3 4 sentences simultaneously I used to mention with that particular
Hmm.
word.
Hmm.
So I did, but I
Yeah.
realized I have been working a lot of hard work, but my speaking is not improving. Then I
Right, right.
seriously I took speaking, because
Hmm.
I was introvert person, and I was full of क्या बोलेंगे hesitation. I thought, how can I speak?
Hesitation.
I couldn't maintain.
Hmm.
I couldn't hold conversation. Only 5 to 10 minutes hardly I could speak. So I
Hmm.
thought
Hmm.
first I have to work all these things, then I will start speaking. It was my misconception. Later I realized,
Misconception.
yes, I was into reading, listening, but I was lacking in speaking. Then,
Hmm.
fortunately, I found 2 3 WhatsApp group. Those days the problem was
Hmm.
that I didn't have like co-learners with whom I could speak,
Hmm.
and it seemed
Hmm.
boring to me to talk self talk. I didn't have any experience self
Self-talk.
talk.
Yeah. Self-talk is also very important.
Right
Earlier was
now,
I'm
I
not
am
that
doing.
high, but yeah, nowadays I'm also like earlier was someone suggest me, you try to also self-talk, but how is possible self-talk? But nowadays I'm also learn how to self-talk is very important.
Thinking
Like whenever you
one
free, you doing your
one
household chores. Yes.
yeah, yeah,
Yes,
self
please.
self talk and thinking both are also important. Recently, I have
Yes.
started thinking in English and
But
self talk.
yes, yeah, when you start speaking, then after that, automatically these things generated in your in your habit.
Yes,
Automatically.
whatever you are
Hmm.
doing. consciously, or like many times we forget. I have to think, I have to think.
Mm,
I forget, but sometimes
mm,
consciously I push my brain. No, what I'm doing, I have to describe this. Suppose I'm passing through a road and like it is morning time and wind is blowing, everything looks very shiny and very,
mm.
yeah. So I just try to describe that scene. I'm
Yeah,
like,
that's very good.
yeah, yeah.
Really.
How can I describe this scene? Suppose
Mm,
I'm going for shopping. So I try to describe in
mm.
my mind is thinking in English,
Yes.
whatever the
Mm.
shops, clothes,
Yeah.
like colorful, everything I
Mm,
try to describe in my mind, all the scenario. So
mm.
this is how I'm doing.
That is very,
Yeah,
yeah, good
deliberately I
approach.
push
Very good.
myself how to describe in English.
Mm.
But we are
Right.
habitual. We are
Okay.
not habitual of
Yeah, we are
doing.
right, right. This is the main gap. Like knowledge is not a barrier, really. Nowadays, I'm also feel the main barrier is the hesitation and people judging. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, yeah, of course. We are filled with hesitation, fear of criticism,
Hmm.
fear of judging. So that's why
Hmm.
we are lacking
Hmm.
behind. Otherwise,
Right.
we can, yeah, anyone
Right.
can speak.
Okay, Sarika. End of the conclusion, we can say like all pillars are important, but like speaking is more important because without you speak anything, how to become like not elegant, but at least you be confident in this language. This is
Exactly,
true about.
because yeah, speaking is like exercise. As we do exercise
Mm,
for our strengthen our body, the same way we need to shape our muscles like mouth muscles for
mm,
this language. We have to
right,
prepare
right.
our muscles
Mm,
because like
right.
we are not native speaker. It is our second language, so our muscles are not
Mm,
habitual, not accustomed to use
mm,
those words. So
mm,
even though English RE trainers they interrupted me, they always gave me feedback to
mm,
work on my pronunciation. So I right now I am more conscious and I am working on
mm,
yeah my
mm,
pronunciation. I can notice if I'm pronouncing anything wrong. So yes, I think yes I
mm,
have to work on consciously and mindfully. Then I will get over
mm.
like this problem.
Yeah,
My
also
pronunciation.
reflected in your communication, really, your session with English, Harry. That's right now
Yes.
also reflection in your, yeah, communication also. Okay, Sarita, I think the time is over.
Yeah,
Thank you so
time
much
is
for
over.
giving your
Yeah,
time.
it is going to end. But it
Thank
was
you.
really very wonderful, very,
Yeah,
yeah, interviewing
also
session.
useful for any person just starting their journey with the scratch. Very useful for
Yes,
her
yes.
and him also.
Yes, yes. Four
Yeah,
pillar are important, yeah, but it depends on person to person. If you get,
person to person. Yeah,
yeah,
really, really.
for some people listening
Mm.
works, for some people, but overall, at the end, speaking is very, very essential because we want
Speaking,
to
yeah,
communicate better way. We want to express ourselves
right,
with more clarity, more confidence. So speaking is must. Come what may, you
right,
have
right.
to at least one call you have to pick every single day if you want to.
Yeah, definitely. Then
Yeah.
also you boost your confidence. Day to day also feel a drastically change in your communication skills. Also. That is
Yes, and I have
true about it.
realized if like due to some reason if I'm not able to make like 2 3 days any call, next day I
Mm.
feel okay, I'm lacking in confidence. Something is missing in my life.
Yeah, and also we feel very low. Like
Yes, yes.
whenever you skip a one day,
Something
then
has
after
lost
that
in
you start with the zero.
yes,
Yes, yes,
yes, I
definitely.
feel yes. Because
Mhm.
we are
Okay,
enjoying
Sarita.
this journey. Okay, dear.
Right,
Thank
right.
you. Thank you so
Okay,
much for,
okay, bye bye.
yeah, and yes, for joining
Likewise.
me here. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Mm. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Take care.